If you want to adjust clock on the lock screen on the Poco C85, you can do that by opening the settings. Now go for personalization and go into the lock screen. And then you have to click on the customize, and you have to just click on your lock screen once and then a second time. First of all, as you can see, we are able to change font style of our clock. So in my case, let's say that I want to get this one. We can also change the style of the clock, so digital or hours. Here we can also change the date. We can show date or we can hide. We can add dual clock. So that's up to the preferences. Let's say that I want to get date like, for example, this one. Over here below we can also find the temperature, which is located here. I will go for air quality, and now we can click X to apply those changes, and we have to click apply. But of course you can find the different clock styles by clicking here, clicking cancel, and by scrolling down we can find the completely different clock styles on this device.